Hey everyone, my name is Vincent and I'm with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service, and I'm one of your family consumer sciences agents here in Guilford County. I focus on food and nutrition as well as physical activity and exercise. Now today we have a personal and childhood favorite, the squash casserole. So I'll start with the ingredients. We'll start with the ingredients. We have our zucchini and squash right here. We have some onion, green onion, scallion. We have pepper. We also have our Ritz cracker to put on top as a little crumble. We have our spinach that we're gonna put on top, and cheese. What would the recipe be without cheese? We have our olive oil, milk, eggs, 2 eggs. We have salt, pepper, and cayenne. Now everything is already pre-prepped and chopped, so we'll just roll right into sauteing the squash and onions. We're gonna add the mixture right on into the casserole dish. Now we're gonna add these green onions, aka the scallions. A little bit of spinach for accent. Then the last thing is gonna be the Ritz cracker. Just get that layered all up in there. I said use a whole pack, but we don't want to make it too dry, but we do want to make sure it gets in there. There we have it, ready to go in the oven. Now that we have our oven preset to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, we are going to put our casserole in, and after 45 minutes, we'll be good to go. All right, everybody, after 45 minutes of baking, our squash casserole is now ready. Here it is. Thank you for tagging along with me doing one of my childhood favorites, the squash casserole. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and I hope that you'll prepare this recipe at home. Remember, squash season is right around the corner, so you'll be able to enjoy them in a nice squash casserole. Again, my name is Vincent and I'm with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service in partnership with High Point Public Library and also the High Point Farmers Market. Remember, you can find these squash at the High Point Farmers Market on Saturdays. And also click the link in the description below to find this recipe. All right, until next time, everybody, I'm glad that you were able to tune in for this recipe, and I hope that you join us next time for another one.